iRonsnow IR-101 Wind Up Solar Radio. It's a hand crank emergency FM and AM, and on top there is a WIB sensor radio with 4000 milliampere hour power bank included, with a dynamo, an LED flashlight, it's a torch SOS alert, USB phone charger in one. This is the IR-101. It's possible to get this in gray and green as you like. Early listing of 2023. This version's emergency radio. This is an emergency product that subverts the traditional design. It is the perfect combination of classic traditional radio and the modern technology. The special vertical design highlights the unique high-end the quality. This is probably the best knob we have ever used. It is ergonomically designed. Enlarge the knob and place it on both sides of the radio for easy operation with both hands. At any time, convenience is the key factor of the emergency product. They are sure that this patented design will satisfy us. It is superior to the top chip of similar products on the market. With more comprehensive reception signals, we will receive more radio stations and get better entertainment experience. And we get longer use life of the solar radio. Because with the upgraded classic features, 4000 mAh rechargeable battery can charge more than one smartphone, 3 super bright 1.5 watt light emitted diode emergency lamps, sharp SOS alert system, and 4 battery charging lights. 25%, 50, 75, and 100% power indicator. It is IPX3 rain resistant, and we have a 3-way power source as we like, including the hand crank, the solar panel, a Type-C cable. That means the Type-C cable can quickly charge the radio or the power bank inside. The radio's crank lever and the solar panel are both capable of regeneration. Enough power to keep the radio, the lights, and the SOS alert ready to go when we need it most. And with a super strong signals, the radio will dependably receiving after emergency weather forecasts and emergency news broadcasts from AM and FM stereo and NOOAA. You see, this is the newest iRonsnow solar emergency radio, wind up FM, AM, and WB radio with 4000 mAh and power SOS alert. And on top an LED flashlight. And of course, it's an iPhone charger, or a smartphone charger, of course, with a patented knob. This portably the best knob we have ever used. It is